Before we move to the next topic, let's quickly test your understanding of everything we have learned so far. You will see 17 multiple-choice questions from generative AI, ML, deep learning, ChatGPT, and large language models. Try to answer each one before the solution appears. What is the main goal of generative AI? 1. Classify existing data. 2. Generate new content. 3. Store data in databases. Or 4. Optimize hardware performance. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is 2. Generate new content. Generative AI is designed to create new text, images, code, audio, or similar outputs. That is what makes it different from traditional predictive systems. Which statement best describes artificial intelligence? 1. Machines storing files faster. 2. Machines mimicking human intelligence. 3. Only neural networks. Or 4. Only chatbot systems. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is 2. Machines mimicking human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the broad field of building systems that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. Machine learning and deep learning both sit inside that larger field. Before we go deeper, this next one checks whether you really understand the hierarchy clearly. Which is correct? 1. AI inside ML inside DL. 2. ML inside AI inside DL. 3. DL inside ML inside AI. Or 4. AI inside DL inside ML. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is 3. DL inside ML inside AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. This hierarchy is one of the most important foundations in Gen AI interviews. What makes machine learning different from traditional programming? 1. It ignores data. 2. It learns patterns from data. 3. It only works with images. Or 4. It removes the need for algorithms. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is 2. It learns patterns from data. Instead of manually coding every rule, machine learning systems learn from examples and improve their predictions. That is why data becomes so important in machine learning. What is the key idea behind deep learning? 1. Using many database tables. 2. Using multi-layer neural networks. 3. Using only handwritten rules. Or 4. Reducing all data to spreadsheets. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is 2. Using multi-layer neural networks. Deep learning uses neural networks with many layers to learn more complex representations from data. This is why it powers modern systems like image recognition and large language models. Where does generative AI fit in the hierarchy we learned? 1. Outside AI completely. 2. Inside deep learning. 3. Above artificial intelligence. Or 4. Parallel to machine learning. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is 2. Inside deep learning. Generative AI is built on deep learning techniques and models, especially in modern large-scale systems. So, Gen AI is not separate from deep learning, it sits within it. Which of these is a generative AI task? 1. Writing a new paragraph. 2. Classifying email as spam. 3. Sorting rows in Excel. Or 4. Increasing Wi-Fi speed. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is 1. Writing a new paragraph. Creating new text is a classic generative AI task because the model is producing fresh content. Spam detection, by contrast, is usually a classification problem. What is ChatGPT mainly built on top of? 1. Spreadsheet formulas. 2. Large language models. 3. Firewall rules. Or 4. Only relational databases. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is 2. Large language models. ChatGPT is an application built using large language models that can understand prompts and generate human-like responses. That is why it can answer questions, summarize, explain, and create content. What is a large language model mainly trained on? 1. Only videos. 2. Large amounts of text data. 3. Only numerical spreadsheets. Or 4. GPS location signals. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is 2. Large amounts of text data. Large language models learn language patterns, structure, and relationships by training on massive text data sets. That text-based training is what gives them their language capability. What does a large language model fundamentally do during generation? 1. Predicts the next token. 2. Searches the internet live every time. 3. Copies an entire paragraph from memory. Or 4. Solves equations first and then writes. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is 1. Predicts the next token. Large language models generate output one token at a time by predicting what should come next based on context. This simple mechanism is the foundation of very powerful language generation. Which architecture is most strongly associated with modern large language models? 1. Transformer. 2. Decision tree. 3. Linear regression. Or 4. Binary search. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is 1. Transformer. Modern large language models are typically based on transformer architecture because it handles context far better than older approaches. This was a major breakthrough in language modeling. Why did ChatGPT become so popular so quickly? 1. It made large language models easy for normal users to interact with. 2. It replaced all software systems. 3. It eliminated the need for data. Or 4. It only worked for programmers. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is 1. It made large language models easy for normal users to interact with. ChatGPT brought powerful language model capability into a simple conversational interface. That accessibility is one big reason it went mainstream so fast. Which of these is the best example of traditional AI, but not necessarily generative AI? 1. A chess-playing system. 2. An image generator. 3. A poem-writing chatbot. Or 4. A music generation model. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is 1. A chess-playing system. A chess-playing system is AI because it performs intelligent decision-making, but it is not mainly about generating new content. That makes it a good example of AI beyond generative AI. Which statement about ChatGPT is most accurate? 1. ChatGPT and large language model mean exactly the same thing. 2. ChatGPT is an application powered by a large language model. 3. A large language model is built on top of ChatGPT. Or 4. ChatGPT is only a search engine. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is 2. ChatGPT is an application powered by a large language model. The large language model is the core model, while ChatGPT is the user-facing product built around that capability. Understanding this difference is very useful in interviews. Which layer is the narrowest in the hierarchy we discussed? 1. Artificial intelligence. 2. Machine learning. 3. Deep learning. Or 4. All are equal in size. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is 3. Deep learning. AI is the broadest category. ML sits inside AI, and deep learning sits inside ML. So deep learning is the most specialized among those 3 layers. If a model creates a brand new image from a text prompt, that is mainly an example of what? 1. Generative AI. 2. Database indexing. 3. Rule-based programming only. Or 4. Manual coding. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is 1. Generative AI. The system is producing completely new visual content based on the prompt it receives. That is a direct example of generation rather than classification or retrieval. Which of these is the most accurate summary of what we learned so far? 1. ChatGPT created AI. 2. Generative AI sits inside deep learning and ChatGPT uses large language models. 3. Deep learning sits outside machine learning. Or 4. Large language models are unrelated to generative AI. Take a moment and think. The correct answer is 2. Generative AI sits inside deep learning, and ChatGPT uses large language models. If you understood that clearly, then your foundation is becoming strong and interview ready. Now let's move to the next topic in the series,